on the program, I simply press the space bar. If you're wondering what this wireframe around here is for, this is the domain of our animation. We need a domain if we want these fire particles. Now let me zoom in a little. You can see I have this plane supporting the blocks for the roof. Let's go inside the house. First, let me stop it by pressing the space bar. I'll go back to frame 1. Here you can see we have the ceiling of our house. So if this is me, I'm lying down on the ground. Now, let me press the space bar and see the animation. Ah, the roof is falling on top of me. Now let me just come out of it. This is the view from on top.